Hey guys, so if you want to start affiliate marketing, you're a complete beginner, stick with me. I'm going to show you in just a very brief video how you can get started affiliate marketing today. So guys, if you haven't been over to this channel before, don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release new videos. And if you want to pick up our free 12-step action plan, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads and you can grab it straight away. Now guys, this is the process that we all use when we start affiliate marketing. So the first thing we need to do is go ahead and find a niche, and then within that niche find a product. Now the way this works is these products are made by other people and we get a commission by selling that on their behalf. The second thing you do is set up your platforms. So whether you're setting up a blog or a YouTube channel, you'll need some way to actually sell and advertise that product. Third thing is you need to develop some killer content. Now that could be a video, that could be some kind of blog post, it could be some social media posts, all sorts of different ways that you can develop content, but it's really crucial that you get used to being able to develop unique and very good content. Now the fourth thing is you need to be able to drive traffic. Now this is crucial to being successful as an affiliate marketer. I'm actually going to show you several ways that you can drive traffic during this video, so you can pick one of them and really concentrate on that traffic method to actually grow your business. And the last thing is, and a very important thing, is you go ahead and you rinse and repeat. So whatever content you build more and more content, and then you repeat the whole process and get more and more visitors over to your offers, and you'll get much more sales. So here are just a few recommended tools that you'll need as a complete beginner. So you need a domain, you need a website, you need some form of page builder so you can build content into that website. You may need some graphics so that you can get them for free on places like Canva. You need a keyword tool to figure out what type of things people are searching for within your particular niche. And then you'll need an autoresponder, because crucially, you want to be able to collect people's details so that you can market to those folks. The next thing you need to do is pick a product. So you need to be able to choose your niche. Now, ideally, this is something you're interested in because you'll be building content around that niche. But whatever niche it is, you need to figure out whether there's an audience there for the particular products that you're going to go ahead and promote. So you pick some kind of quality product or service, because obviously you want something that's going to be good for those folks that come along and buy it. You can review the material within the affiliate sites of those products to see if there's any useful information there that you can actually use. You go ahead and grab your affiliate link, and then you select some kind of content type to actually add that affiliate link to. So again, it could be blog posts, it could be things like YouTube videos, it could be social media posts. So you've got to pick one and really concentrate on that to get that in front of as many people as you possibly can. Now there's different types of products that you can actually go ahead and promote here. So from a digital point of view, there's many different places you can go. There's sites like ClickBank or Warrior Plus or JVZoo. These sites sell lots and lots of cheap type digital products that you can get started with. Now you can sell physical products on sites like Amazon or Share a Sale or Market Health, different types of physical products on each of those platforms, and they'll all give you a commission for actually selling them. Another great idea is actually to sell internet services. So things like page builders, hosting providers, video marketing services, you could sell those and actually get a commission by selling those services. Now everybody needs these types of services, so they're absolutely ideal for people to come along as affiliate marketers and actually advertise for them. Now there is some others like Awin, FlexOffice, Target Affiliates. There are kind of variety of services that people actually promote online, and it's good for you to go have a look at that to see if there's anything on there you think would be good for you to actually go ahead and advertise. Now there's various types of ways to actually get traffic. Now traffic is the hardest thing to do online, and it's the one that takes people the most time to really get to grips with. Now the thing that you need to do is actually stick at a certain traffic method and really make sure that you're optimizing that before you move on to many more. If you spread yourself too thin, then you'll be having to put content in too many places and you're not really going to get the success that you actually deserve. So there's various ways of doing it. I actually use YouTube. You can use SEO, which is things like blogging. You can use social media, things like Facebook, Twitter, use those types of platforms to drive traffic. Once you start building a list, you can use your own email list, so you can use email marketing. And then of course, you can use paid ads. Now as a beginner, I wouldn't really use paid ads because they can cost you a lot of money and sometimes they're not quite as effective as you want, and you can spend a lot of money kind of optimizing them. But you can use paid ads and that will drive a lot of traffic to your offers and services. So thanks for watching, guys. That was just a quick overview on what's needed to start affiliate marketing online. Now, if you want more details, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads. Now, I've got a free 12-step action plan there that'll take you through each one of these pieces in a lot of detail. Now, it's completely for free, guys. You can pick it up today. Just go ahead and click that link and it'll take you straight over there. And guys, if you haven't been over to this channel before, don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release more videos. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll speak to you soon.